Tasting Italy, your English guide to Italian cuisine. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new English learning video. Today, we're going to explore the flavors of Italian cuisine. We're not just about to taste the food, we're going to learn the language behind it. By the end of this video, you will have enhanced your English vocabulary with some delicious Italian words and phrases. So, get ready to say, Buon Appetito. That's, enjoy your meal, in Italian. As we embark on this culinary journey, let's begin with some basic Italian food vocabulary. 1. Pasta. This is a staple food of Italian cuisine. There are various types like spaghetti, linguine, fusilli, and many more. 2. Pizza. Originated from Naples, it's a savory dish with a usually round, flattened base of leavened wheat-based dough topped with tomatoes, cheese, and other ingredients. 3. Risotto. This is a northern Italian rice dish cooked with broth until it reaches a creamy consistency. 4. Gelato. A delicious Italian-style ice cream. 5. Tiramisu, a popular coffee-flavored Italian dessert. 6. Espresso, a strong coffee made by forcing steam through ground coffee beans. Now, let's move on to recipe-related vocabulary. Here, we will look at some common terms you might encounter in an Italian recipe. 1. Al dente. It literally means, to the tooth. This is how Italians like their pasta, cooked so it's still firm when bitten. 2. Antipasto, meaning, before the meal. It refers to the first course in an Italian meal, often consisting of cold dishes. 3. Dolce. This means, sweet, and it's usually the term for desserts in Italian cooking. 4. Pesto. A sauce originating from Genoa. It's made from garlic, pine nuts, coarse salt, basil leaves, Parmigiano Reggiano, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. 5. Ragu. A meat-based sauce in Italian cuisine that is commonly served with pasta. Understanding a cuisine isn't just about the food. It's also about understanding the culture and the etiquette around it. Let's touch upon some Italian dining etiquette terms. 1. Buon Appetito. As mentioned before, this phrase means, enjoy your meal. It's a common expression used before starting to eat. 2. Alla salute. This means, to health, and it's a popular toast in Italy. 3. Conto. It means, bill. So, when you're finished with your meal and ready to pay, you can ask for the conto. That brings us to the end of our tasty journey through Italian cuisine. With these words and phrases, not only have you deepened your knowledge about this wonderful cuisine, but you've also added some delicious new words to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is like cooking. It requires patience, practice, and most importantly, passion. So, keep practicing these new words, and soon enough, you'll be fluent enough to order your favorite pasta dish at an Italian restaurant in perfect English. Till our next English adventure, buon appetito, and happy learning!